Hey YouTube, this is Robert here with Palacio Media Fresno. I'm here at my desk, one of my many desks that I have here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your regular GoPro Max. It's a GoPro 3D camera. It's a camera that has a lens on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and put a little card in this video so you guys can go ahead and see some good GoPro footage that I've caught with some of this. So before you put on any kind of decal, you want to make sure your camera is nice and clean. I recommend alcohol that is used for cleaning, rubbing alcohol. I got Horn Photo microfiber cloth here. Just put some alcohol in it. You never really want to put the medium, and you never really want to put alcohol on your device directly. You always want to put alcohol on a cloth or some kind of medium first. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give this a good pat down, kind of get any oils from touching it. Believe it or not, we humans, we have oils on our hands, and they're very minute. That's how we get fingerprints, and so those may get in the way or deter the sticker as we're applying the sticker. So I got two parts here. I think this one, let me see here. I'm gonna go and put on this side. This side looks a little bit more manageable. So I actually kind of created this skin. I just looked at some of the specs on GoPro.com. I was able to kind of piece together the schematics from there, but yeah, so I got my cool GoPro right here. There's no right or wrong way about doing this. I got that over here. I've been doing this for quite a long time, so I've gotten pretty good at doing this. But here we kind of got the gist of it right here. So now we got one side on the GoPro camera right here. It came out pretty cool. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other side. I work for Fresno's Cool Designs on 1st and Ashland. We are Fresno, California's premier printing shop. So if you ever need graphic designs or schematics or custom shirts, stickers, banners, signs, please visit us at Fresno's Cool Design on 1st and Ashland, 3035 East Ashland Avenue, Fresno, California, 93726. So yeah, got most of this bad boy on so far. This is actually my second GoPro Max. I have another one out in the universe that looks exactly like this one. So if you have my GoPro Max and you're watching this, I hope it's serving you. Hope you used it or sold it. But yeah, here we are. But yeah, I mean, this is just pretty much a little tutorial on how to change a normal looking GoPro Max into something that's unique. Thank you guys for watching Palacio Media Fresno TV. My name is Robert Palacio. It was a privilege to show you guys how to go ahead and put a skin on your GoPro Hero Max. Thank you very much. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.